Your legs feel heavy, your feet are cold, even in warm weather. And when you stand up, it feels like your body forgot how to move. But what if that tightness, that stiffness, that old feeling wasn't just aging? What if it was a signal from your circulation? And what if a simple 3-minute daily routine could help bring your legs back to life? After 60, circulation issues can quietly rob your legs of strength, energy, and balance. Many seniors assume it's just arthritis or fatigue, but often it's blood flow. Good circulation isn't just about heart health. It's what keeps your legs warm, nourished, and mobile. The truth is, most people sit too long, move too little, and ignore early warning signs. But today, I'll show you a 3-minute solution that's simple, safe, and proven to boost leg circulation. No gym, no pain, no equipment. Let's get started. Most seniors noticed it gradually. You sit for a while, then stand up and feel a strange pressure in your legs, or your toes feel cold under the blanket, even though the room isn't. Sometimes your legs feel stiff when you walk, but after a few minutes, the feeling fades. These aren't random. They're early signs that your circulation, especially in the lower body, is slowing down. Here's what happens. Your heart pumps blood down to your legs through arteries. That part works well, even as we age. But getting the blood back up through your veins is where the real challenge begins, and your legs don't have a motor to do that. They rely on your muscles. Every time you walk, stretch, or move your ankles, you activate a system called the muscle pump. Especially in your calves, this pump squeezes your veins, helping blood return to the heart. It's like a second heartbeat in your legs. But here's the catch. After 60, most people move less. They sit more, and their muscles weaken, especially the ones that drive this pump. That leads to blood pooling in the legs, swelling, tiredness, cold feet, and even slow wound healing or nighttime cramps. It's silent, it's progressive, and for many, it's avoidable. The earlier you activate the muscle pump, the faster your body restores circulation. And you don't need to walk a mile or go to the gym to do it. Sometimes it takes just 3 minutes. Let's imagine two people. One is 68 years old. They wake up, drink coffee, and spend most of the day seated, reading, watching TV, maybe doing a few chores. The other is also 68, but they do one small thing differently. They start the day with 3 minutes of simple movement, focused on their legs and feet. Same age, same health history, very different futures. Here's why. When you move your legs, even gently, you create a physical force inside your blood vessels. It's called shear stress. That force stimulates your arteries and capillaries to open up. It signals your body to improve circulation, send in oxygen, and clear out waste products like CO2 and lactic acid. It also improves endothelial function. That's the lining inside your blood vessels. When that lining works well, your body can regulate pressure, flow, and even inflammation better. Studies show that even 2 to 3 minutes of low-intensity movement, like heel raises or seated marches, can increase blood flow in the lower legs by up to 70%. That's more than most prescription medications can do, without any side effects. And there's more. Improved blood flow speeds up muscle recovery, reduces swelling, helps with nerve sensitivity, improves skin temperature and healing, and makes walking feel smoother and lighter. It's not just about fitness, it's about function. The beautiful thing is, you don't need to sweat, stretch, or strain. You just need to activate your body. And that's exactly what the next chapter will give you, the full 3-minute routine. This isn't a workout, it's a circulation routine, designed to wake up your legs, activate your muscle pump, and gently restore blood flow. You can do it in your bedroom, while waiting for the kettle to boil, after sitting for too long, or right before bed. No gym, no mat, no pressure. Let's break it down. Move 1. Calf raises, 1 minute. Stand behind a chair or place your hands on the wall for balance. Slowly lift your heels and rise onto your toes. Hold at the top for a second, then lower back down with control. Repeat for 60 seconds at a calm, steady pace. Why it works. Your calves are your second heart. This movement directly activates the muscle pump, improving venous return and warming up the feet. Move 2. Seated knee marches, 1 minute. Sit tall on a firm chair. Keep your hands on your thighs or chair arms. Lift one knee toward your chest, then lower it and lift the other. Don't rush. Imagine you're pumping fluid up from your thighs to your chest. Why it works. This wakes up the hip flexors and thigh muscles, supports lymphatic flow, and opens the groin arteries. Move 3. Heel to toe taps or rocks, 1 minute. Remain seated or stand if you prefer. Alternate tapping your toes and heels on the ground in rhythm, or rock gently forward and back from heel to toe. Why it works. This stimulates the ankle joint, foot nerves, and tiny stabilizing muscles that assist circulation deep in the feet and calves. And you're done. Take a breath. Feel your legs. You may feel warmth, light tingling, or a subtle ease in your movement. That's your blood saying, thank you. Now that you know the routine, let's talk timing. When you do it, matters. Circulation follows a daily rhythm, and for many older adults, blood flow is lowest after long periods of stillness, like overnight or after sitting for hours. That's why the best time to do this 3-minute routine is first thing in the morning, before coffee, before breakfast. When you wake up, your blood has been flowing slowly for 6 to 8 hours. This is when your legs need help restarting the muscle pump. A quick round of calf raises and toe taps clears the stagnation and warms up your legs for the day ahead. But there's another powerful time to do it, right before bed, especially if you've been sitting a lot. This reduces swelling, improves nighttime oxygenation, and even helps reduce leg cramps caused by pooling blood. You can also use it after long car rides, during commercial breaks, at the airport, or in the kitchen while waiting for water to boil. Pro tip, pair it with another habit, like brushing your teeth or making tea. That way, it becomes automatic. No willpower needed. Consistency is what turns these 3 minutes into long-term change. Your circulation doesn't need hours of exercise. It needs frequency. Little nudges, repeated daily, will reopen pathways and rebuild the habits your legs once had. Start slow, but start often. The payoff is balance, strength, and freedom. You can do the 3-minute routine perfectly, but if certain habits are blocking your progress, you might not feel the full benefit. Let's fix that. Here are 3 common circulation-killing habits most seniors don't even realize they're doing. 1. Sitting too long without a break. The most dangerous part of aging isn't age itself, it's inactivity. If you sit for more than 60 to 90 minutes without standing, blood begins to pool in your lower legs. This causes swelling, discomfort, and poor nutrient delivery to your muscles. Fix. Set a gentle timer every hour. Stand up, stretch, or do 30 seconds of calf raises. That's enough to reactivate your second heart. 2. Crossing your legs for long periods. It may feel cozy, but crossing your legs compresses blood vessels behind the knees and in the groin. This restricts blood return and can cause tingling, coldness, and nerve compression. Fix. Sit with both feet flat on the floor or slightly elevate your feet on a footrest or a pillow. 3. Dehydration. Blood is a fluid, and if you're not drinking enough, it thickens. Thicker blood flows more slowly, especially in tiny leg capillaries. You may feel dizzy, sluggish, or even crampy, and not realize it's because of low hydration. Fix. Drink small sips of water throughout the day, especially after the routine. When your body is ready to distribute nutrients, it's not about perfection. It's about noticing patterns and making tiny corrections. Because the little things, they add up to big results, especially after 60. Most people wait for a crisis. They wait until walking feels impossible, until stairs become a mountain, until their legs give out beneath them. But you're here now, and you don't have to wait. You just need 3 quiet minutes, a small daily act of self-respect, a gentle reminder to your body that you're still in motion, still alive, still capable. Let's recap. Your calves are a second heart. Poor blood flow isn't just aging, it's a warning. Movement doesn't need to be intense to be powerful. 3 minutes a day is enough to start reversing stiffness, coldness, and weakness in your legs. And here's the best part. When your legs feel better, everything gets easier. You walk farther, stand taller, feel steadier. You even sleep better because your muscles are nourished and your nerves are calm. So let's make this your new daily habit. Set a reminder. Put a sticky note on your bathroom mirror. Write it on your calendar. 3 minute circulation boost every day without fail. You're not doing this to become an athlete. You're doing this to keep your independence, to protect your balance, to stay strong, energized, and confident in your own body. You got this. Your legs carried you this far. Let's help them carry you even farther.